Hi guys, today I wanted to bring you 3 fun, beauty-filled Easter basket ideas for under 10, under 20, and under 30 using only Dollartree finds. The first beauty basket for Easter that I have is right here, and it looks like this. It includes an eyeshadow palette, the Almost Nude eyeshadow palette, the LA Colors lip and cheek glitter tint. It turns your cheeks and lips pink, a cherry scented lip balm by bpure, and no teenage girl is complete without their eyelashes. Now they come with several types of eyelashes. You don't have to pick this one. This is just what I had. And an eyelash glue. This would make a beautiful, fun-filled Easter basket for your teenage girl. And you get all of that for $9.60. I would say that is a beauty steal. These are for all your budgets. And I'm going to show you how they all look. So there is the finished look, guys. The eyelashes, the eyeshadow look. I actually used the brush. Well, a different brush. I didn't use the one that came with it, but I had one laying around. So I used the brush. I didn't use any makeup brushes like these guys. And the lips and the cheeks. It's a very dewy formula. It's beautiful. This is perfect for your teenage daughter or the beauty lover that is a minimalist. So the next basket is this, and this basket here will cost you $19.60. And it consists of an ioni blush, liquid blush in warm rose, an ioni pencil eyeliner in black, a Cosmic Colors lipstick in 01, which is a Kim KW dupe, an ioni lip liner in plum, a Cosmic Colors ultrashine lip gloss in magenta. There's no shade name, but they have gold and they have a pink. LA Colors bronzer in sungoddess. I believe this is a dupe for NARS Laguna bronzer. Cosmic Colors BB cream. Mine is in shade number 4. LA Colors 2-pack of eyebrow, lip liner, and eyeliner. This is an amazing deal. I have mine in dark brown. It says black, but it's dark brown. I put it in packaging I found. A 12-pan eyeshadow palette in traditional. Now, this would be like your Urban Decay Naked palette right here. That is why I put this one in the basket. And these cute little makeup brushes. Oh my goodness. So again, $19.60 Canadian. And now I'm going to show you all of them on. So it brings us to this. The nude eyeshadow. I just added some depth in the corner, outer corner, and under the eye. I put on the ioni eyeliner, the shimmer lip gloss, and the lip liner. And I left my eyebrows and my cheeks bare to show you basket number 3. And it looks like this. So this is all the products you would get for $29.40. The 5 products that I added to this basket are the 3 glow up ones from bpure in shimmering pearl, the highlight, fair medium, the contour. They have medium to deep also, and ballerina pink. The 4th item that I added is so exciting, and this is why I didn't do my brows. So I wanted to wait till I had the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze dupe from Ioni. Yes, they duped her, and it's amazing. And the 4th item I added back in, just so you can get this eye look, is Almost Nude from LA Colors, the 6-pan from basket number 1. I could not put this in there. I love this 6-pan so much. It's a staple. You can get a Natasha Denona eye look with that 6-pan shadow. You can dupe it. Sorry about the lights. I have a video on it. Check it out. So I will be back with my face finish from the products from the third basket that I did not include from the second Easter basket. And it looks like this. So the only thing that I didn't add was the ballerina pink from bpure. Instead, I used the Ioni liquid blush in warm rose. And on my brows, I used the dark brown pencil, and I used it for my lip liner as well. And on my lips is shade number 1 from Cosmic Colors, Kim KW dupe. I keep saying it, but it's true. And so there you have it, guys. 3 budgets, under 10, under 20, and under 30 beauty finds at Dollartree. If you wanted to buy all and do an under 40, it's going to cost you $37.24 Canadian. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Have a wonderful day and a very happy Easter. Bye!